I've lived in NYC for about a year and a half now. I started actually up in Westchester, born and raised there. Moved out here after, I would say, 23. Top three things I like about living in Manhattan is definitely the food, the lifestyle. It's definitely different from anywhere else that you would find, like within like any other states. Third is the people. It's definitely diverse, and you can't really find it anywhere else. I've had this car since 2018 now, so it's been a while. Definitely the top three things I don't like about living in New York City. When it comes to finding parking, it's always the most difficult thing to do, especially when it's always crowded and there's traffic. That comes into my second point, traffic, especially during rush hour. And the third one is transportation, so anything with bus, subways, it gets very cluttered very easily. When choosing a car, I didn't necessarily have a platform of my choosing. It was just kind of a look around, see what I like, and the Q50 just happened to catch my eye. I got it back in 2018. 6 years later, here I am, I still have it. When it came to modifying my car, I did a lot of external cosmetics. So as you can see, I did a wide body kit. It is a custom wide body kit, which I molded myself. The kit's actually from Krotov. Alongside with that, a lot of carbon parts, as well as air suspension. And in terms of performance, but not really performance, I did a upgraded VR trans, so pretty much the newer model of my car. So it has an upgraded trans, so it runs better. And in terms of that, everything else is just more interior, just for looks. It's definitely a blessing to win the spot for New York City, especially like being in the car community. Like nowadays, like not even just that, but like having a vehicle in NYC is very slim, just because like the fact that with all the traffic and all the congestion, it's definitely not something that a lot of people would do. Even aside just from the car scene, like not many people here in the city usually would have a car, just because you have transportation. So you have the buses, you have the subway, or let alone even someone to be modifying the cars. So that's something definitely, like, I could definitely say that I'm thankful for.
Back when condom rappers wasn't cool, I fucked Sherane and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn game on. Hot sauce all that night, I rhyming, yeah bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar sign. You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch. A silver spoon, I know.